To become a Roblox administrator, it's essential to understand the role of admins and how to obtain the admin badge. The easiest way to find information on this is by visiting the official Roblox website, where you can navigate to the top left corner. Click on the 3 lines, and then select Messages. You should have a message from Roblox, which you can click on to visit their profile. On their profile, scroll down to the Roblox Badges section. Click See More, and you'll find the Administrator badge. This badge identifies an account as belonging to a Roblox administrator, and only official admins possess it. If someone claims to be an admin without this badge, they may be trying to mislead you, and you should report abuse. To become a Roblox administrator, you must work for Roblox. At the bottom of the Roblox website, you'll find a tab labeled Jobs, where you can view available positions and learn about careers within the company. By clicking View All Jobs, you can search for openings by keyword, discipline, group, employment type, and more. Currently, there are numerous job listings, and to become a Roblox admin, you must apply for and secure a position within the company. There is no other way to obtain admin status except by working for Roblox. By becoming an employee, you can earn the admin badge and work as a Roblox administrator.